So you've been dreaming about becoming a successful blogger, but you don't know where to start. You've heard that it's all about hard work and determination, but you're not sure what that really means. In this video, I'm going to show you the roadmap to success as a blogger and how to get out of the rat race, break free, and start living your dreams. Hey everyone, this is Jackie from Wealthshare, and boy, do I know that feeling all too well. We spend so much time working on someone else's dream that we forget about our own. But it's not too late, because in this video, I'm going to tell you all about a product called Blogger's Roadmap that will help you create a roadmap for your blog and help you achieve your goals and live the life that you've always wanted. So if you're familiar with our channel, then you know that we always try to bring you products that will put you on the path to financial freedom. And we always look for products that you can use working from home, or in some cases, working from anywhere that you have an internet connection. Well, blogging is one of those ideas. Most of us that dream about working from home or that do any type of internet work know about blogging. It's not a big secret. But I want you to understand that blogging isn't just about writing something and posting it online. Blogging can be life-changing, and not just from a monetary standpoint. You can build a community of people that trust you, and you have a chance to have an impact on so many lives. But if you've ever tried blogging, you already know it's not as easy as it sounds. You just can't put up a blog post and expect it to blow up and go viral. I wish it was that easy. I know that you've seen all the promises of easy money from blogging, and that in the next 10 days, the money will just start rolling in. Well, this is where I insert a big, long sigh. Because if you don't know what you're doing or even where to begin, then you're going to get frustrated and you're going to give up. Because blogging isn't just about writing content. It's about driving traffic to your website, getting readers to engage with you by leaving comments, and of course, making money from ads or products. So, in essence, you have to be a website builder, a writer, a marketer, and you have to know about SEO tactics. It's a lot. One of those issues I can solve for you, and that's content. If you aren't a writer, or you don't feel like you can come up with ideas for blog posts week in and week out, then you need to subscribe to our channel, because I'll be putting up a video in the next few weeks that will help you with this content problem. So hit the subscribe button in the bottom right corner of this video, and that way you won't miss it when it comes out. And it's something that I use every day. The other issues, well, that's a different story. That's where Blogger's Roadmap comes to the rescue. Blogger's Roadmap is going to teach you how to choose the correct niche, how to use hosting and domains, how to use the right plugins, pick the correct designs and themes, how to get started with content, how to build traffic to your site and grow your audience, learn social media tactics, grow your mailing list, and monetize your blog. After all, we are here to learn how to make money online. Now, if you don't know what some of those terms mean, it's okay. Blogger's Roadmap is going to teach you. Now, I could go on and on about this product. It's not a new product. It's been around for a while, but it's certainly worth checking out. They do have some inexpensive upsells, which in my opinion are worth the money. However, you're going to have to decide that for yourself. So click the link in the description below to hear what Dan, the creator of Blogger's Roadmap, has to say. It's very informative and certainly worth a few minutes of your time if you're interested at all in blogging. And as always, we appreciate you stopping by Wealthshare, where we try to provide you with products that will help you reach financial freedom. And as always, remember, don't stop dreaming, just dream bigger. If you liked the video, make sure to give us a quick like and subscribe. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next video.